Welcome to your new home. Home, sweet home. Nothing to do here, very low maintenance, just move right in. Greatly upgraded with brand new carpets and freshly paint. Inside, energy efficient double pane windows, remodeled kitchen with quartz countertops, remodeled bathrooms. Hardwood floors, tankless. Water heater. 2 master suites upstairs. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom downstairs. There is a total of 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. There is an extra room at the back of the garage that offers many possibilities. An easy conversion into an additional dwelling unit is possible. Stay fit. Dive into your own swimming pool every day. Great location, just 45 minutes to downtown San Francisco. 10 minutes to BART. Open. First open house Sunday, July 21, 2024 from 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. Second open house Sunday, July 28.